The LED bulbs and tools used in this tutorial can be purchased online at PrecisionLED.com. Here we have the original halogen lights in your front overhead console. To replace the halogen bulbs with LEDs, we will need to remove the clear plastic covers using the serrated wedge tool that comes with your PrecisionLED package. Use the flat end of the serrated wedge to remove the plastic cover by gently prying forward and down. As you can see, there are two pressure clips to hold the plastic cover in place. Use the pointed wedge tool to remove the old halogen bulb and insert the new LED bulb. LEDs are polarity specific, so you may need to rotate them 180 degrees if they do not initially work. Angle the LED board towards the seat for maximum light output. Repeat the same process for the passenger side light. To reinstall the plastic cover, push in on each corner to force the pressure clip back into its plastic rocker. For the rear dome, you'll be using the serrated wedge as well as the pointed wedge to remove the plastic cover to access the old halogen bulbs. Use the flat end of the serrated wedge and insert it between the clear plastic and its outer plastic housing. Pry down to create space between the two pieces and use this pointed wedge to slowly separate the plastic cover from the housing. Run the pointed wedge around the perimeter to release all four clips holding it in place. Use the pointed wedge to remove the halogen bulb and replace with the LED. Test to make sure it works, and reverse polarity if they do not turn on the first time. To reinstall the cover, insert the plastic cover at an angle and use light pressure to snap the cover back in the housing. For the trunk light, use the rounded wedge tool. The trunk light housing has a tab on one side where you can insert the wedge tool to press on and pry down to release. You can remove the electrical connector by pressing down on the blue plug and separating it from the housing. The halogen light will be hot, so use a towel to remove the halogen bulb and replace it with the LED light. To reinsert the housing, insert the side with the blue plug first and push up to secure it in place. The license plate has two lights that we will convert to LED. The light housings are directly accessible with the trunk open. The trunk light housings can be removed by pressing in on the two pressure clips holding them in place. Use your thumb and pointer finger to release the housings from the trunk lid. Remove the old halogen bulbs and replace them with the LEDs. Make sure to test the lights before reinserting the bulb housings. If they do not initially work, rotate them to reverse polarity and test again. To reinsert the housings, simply push them back in and make sure you feel the two sides snap back in place.